Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. So today I'm sharing a homemade pizza sauce recipe, and if you like this video or would like to see more, please do subscribe my channel. So let's start. Make a slit in a tomato and cook it in a boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now remove skin, keep half aside and use half to make puree. Now other half we have to chop finely. Now heat olive oil, add chopped tomato and puree, add salt to taste and cook it for a while. Once you see water almost evaporated, add sugar and oregano and red chili powder. You can add fresh basil leaves also. Mix it well and cover it and cook it again for a while until you see nice thick pizza sauce consistency. That's it. Now let it cool and store it, and you can use it almost for 2 to 4 weeks and enjoy. Hope you like it and hope you try it. And don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.